Hurricane Idalia. Power outages, broken power lines, roads blocked with trees, property damage, and flooding were all results of
This
Hurricane
is a
Idalia.
demonstration of Wirecast.
This is Aalayna. How long were you without power?
I'd say about 3 to 4 days, maybe.
Okay. Did you or any family have property damage?
A tree fell and like destroyed my grandparents' mailbox.
Okay. What struggle did you face the days following the hurricane?
There was like a lot of traffic, like in town. You couldn't really go anywhere.
Yeah.
This is a
What were
demonstration of
conditions-
Wirecast.
What were the conditions of your neighborhood after the hurricane?
It was pretty much destroyed. Like you could barely walk or like drive in my neighborhood.
Yeah. Well, bye.